Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the DivePro Double Butterfly Mount. So this is a pretty standard sort of mounting option for that really traditional sort of ball mount on your camera rig, and very traditional setup. You've got the two sections here that are spring loaded, and then you have the locking key that's going to sort of tighten it up, and it basically allows you to articulate some joints on your camera rig, which I actually have with me here. This is also the DivePro, but just to show you how that kind of double mount can sort of fit onto these ball joints. And all it is you just kind of unscrew it a little bit, and then you can articulate and sort of pose your lighting or whatever you want, wherever you want it to, and then tighten it up, and then that fixes it in position, so that's nice and secure, and your lighting sits exactly where you want it to. So very traditional, nicely built as well. It's got a nice finish to it. Good sort of edges and a bit of laser etching for the logo. Decent spring on that, and yeah, nice sort of smooth action. So yeah, if you're sort of building a camera rig, you're fitting sort of ball jointed arms or sort of extra lighting, and you just want to be able to pose it and sort of mount it efficiently with that sort of ball joint, then definitely take a look at the DivePro Double Butterfly Arm. If you enjoyed this video, of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to see all of our other videos and to see the rest of the sort of DivePro range. Share it with your friends so they can see it as well, that always helps. And of course, hit on that bell icon so that you get notified. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.